Abyo kwirinda bakyera ahansharo ya Katuna kuhikiiriza ekiragiro kya Purezidenti eky'okukinga ensharo kandi kyareEtera abantu aba kuburaho kutora ahabwa kugira ngo baaba bataRIkwikirizibwa kutaaha mu ihanga.
Ekimukureebera omwijurira guri aha no kugira ngo Rwanda nemwe ha myanya ya rwize erukumanya nkeyinemu oburwire hati kubaraye bayija titukumanya obi babiri ne bakorayo titukumanya obi babiri ne batura titukumanya byone bukubakwataho nka instruction zikuziri za Ministry of Health buri omwe ashimira kubanza kupimwa.
Ile matori y'umugambirizi wa polisi ahabwa ekyanga kya Kigezi yagira ngo cyabagomera nkabe byo kwerinda kwikiriza abantu abakumara gataho mu ihanga ngo nabwo ecyo bine kubanza baba kwemeraho kumara 14 kuko ekiragiro kiri kugamba.
We are of the view that you must be put in a quarantine for 14 days. And in Kampala it is very costly. In Kampala you pay $100. But in Kabare, I've talked to someone with a hotel, but we can negotiate.
If there is no food, you are not protecting us. Because some people don't have any money on them. Zero. Now if you are taking us to a hotel where you not even provide us food, then you are not protecting us at all. Just send us to Ruzira, we die from there.
What I think can work for us
Yes.
is let's have a negotiation of both sides.
Yes.
If someone is failing and is not having money,
Yes.
we can have one way out. And there are those of us who have at least families which can be able to help us, but once we are in Kampala.
Yes.
So we can have a gauge of which side. If we are to take us to Kampala, how many are we going? If we can favor us, we'll be handled by the government from the other side of Kampala, whereby my family is able to reach me easily and give me some money. Because right now, not every day will I be calling, send me mobile money. But when I'm in Kampala, it can be fair.
We are overwhelmed.
Bamumba kwato bayereko butashemerwa n'icyo kubakingirana bagumize ngo endwara ije bashangire batitagwire kandi batine na sente zo kwejunisa.
And the minister for this place, they have gone for a meeting. They told me, certain minister will get back to me.
Ahitwaza kuhandikire betwasiga RDC yategerizo kugaruka mu kwa minister w'ebyamagara aho barata abantu aba. Ekire cyabushishirizo y'ekitongore cy'ebyamagara mu Uganda cyarangira kucyahiza kutunga umuntu omwe n'indwara ya coronavirus. Ejejanjira amahanga minjo munsi kandi yahirize kwita abantu barengere mitware 2 kashanju. Amakuru agagasha kauza yatusasire.